Hi everybody, back here EMD Automotive. This is Paul. Just want to show you what I'm doing. I've got an Audi RS4 4.2 litre V8 309 kilowatts coming for a clutch replacement. So just want to show you this whole setup. I'll set everything up, remove everything. All the suspension's been dropped down because I've got to drop the engine down to get the suspension cradle off, to get the gearbox out. It's really hard to get to. So that's all done. So but what I had trouble with is Audi. They put a this underneath, so the exhaust will drop to the back there. The drive shaft off as well, but the actual bolts in there. So if you look in there, yeah, all the bolts are rusted. So I had to soak it with WD-40 and rust off. And hopefully tomorrow, I'm only 1 hour away from taking the gearbox off. So tomorrow I'll try to take the nuts off and bolts because of the rust. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.